Fact 1. Donkeys have an excellent memory, remembering places they've been or other donkeys they've met for up to 25 years. Fact 2. The donkey's distinctive hee-haw can be heard up to 3 kilometers away, helping them keep in touch with their companions. Fact 3. Donkeys can live for over 50 years, providing loyal companionship to their owners for decades. These facts reveal the humble donkey as a creature of intelligence, endurance, and remarkable social skills. Next time you see a donkey, remember these intriguing facts that make them endearing companions.